Hi, Karen. Yeah, I know you're working in Dreamweaver, but I had a site open in Expression Web, but same thing. Same style sheets. What we actually have here, we actually have a background graphic, so you can modify the one that's already there with your own image. So let's take a look here. The site styles, and we're looking for the header one, probably in the layouts, header1.css. Okay, and right here, that's the header right there, and that's the background image that's being loaded in. So I'm just going to create a new page, go to the graphics folder, and I'm going to drag in a copy of the header-background JPEG. Alright, so there's the header-background JPEG. I'm going to drag it in. So there it is right there. It's a fairly large image, so that way it can expand up and down. Right, so the trick is, so here's the bottom bar bit right here. Let me see if I can pull this up on a browser for a second. Get there. F12 it. Okay, so this bottom bar right here, that's the bottom of the header, and then everything above it, that's the top of the header, because the header sort of resizes, right? So what we had to do is create a graphic that was a lot taller than the actual header, and we've aligned the background image, which is what you see right here, or in this page right here, when you see this background image, you can see that this is the blue bar that's to the bottom. So basically, let's say you wanted to have a different type of image. You could actually make this image as wide as you want, and I would go to a maximum of 1920 pixels if you're going to create your own header background JPEG. But what I'd probably do is I'd probably start with this image here and at least use this bottom bar part here, this bottom blue bar, so that it stays in the picture, right? So that you have this for your menu bar, and then whatever this black piece on the graphic up above, no problem. But you can make this image a lot wider. So if it's a different type of background, like say a scenic background and image, right? Just make it about 1920 pixels wide, and then center your scenic image in the middle of that. You could even cut away this entire black piece and have something else if you wanted to do that as well. Or if you get stuck, just send me the pic and I'll whip something up for you. So